Hi friends, now we are going to print these three patterns using VBA in Excel. This is the most important pattern in interview which is frequently asked in most of company and organization. So let's open Excel. Go to VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. Inserting module, making a spacing. First we print, let's check, first we print this pattern. So in Excel and VBA editor, let's name it sub number pattern. Let's declare variable dim. Let's take I, j and k as a integer. Let's take three variable. Okay. For outer loop, I equal to 1 to, let's take 10 times. For j equal to 1 to I times. First we take first row, second row, third row. So we take I times. We understood in previous video. For making a star pattern, you can check. Now declare cells I equal I comma j for number and row dot value equal to, let's take k, which declare k equal to 1 to k equal to k plus 1. Next j, next I, and outer loop. Let's also clear all cells. Right. Now execute one by one. What is supposition not defined? Okay. Making a space. Clear. Taking one. Printing one. After executing, goes to next. Taking one. Printing. 2. Printing. 1, 2, 3. After executing, value increment value 1 all times by executing inner for loops. 1, like this we print. Let's run our program. So first pattern code is here. Now we are going to print this pattern. So create new sheet and create new sub procedure. Let's name it number pattern second and make some space Also we declare dim I, j and k as an integer. Let's take three variable. For I equal to, let's take 0 to 5 times, and for j equal to 1 to I times. Then I taking range properties. Let's take f1 dot offset properties. So we take also here for 0 to I times, because we offsetting first execution only 0, no offset. I j dot value equal to what I, here I value is first execution only 0, so we have to print 1, so increment 1, and let's only this after execution. Same code for left side, we take minus j. Here we have to add minus I minus j. First run this, then I add j for understanding this code. No, here j, next I, and clear cell first. No have is no used in this code, so we remove from variable. After executing this program, here printing 1. Let's small size for clarity. Here I equal to 0 value, so we increment 0 plus 1, so print 1 for 0 offset. 0 0 means f1 no offset. After going to execute next loop, outer loop, here I equal to 1 value and j equal to, after executing this program, this line j equal to 0 value, so offset row number 1 and 0 column. Here I equal to 1 plus 1 means here take 2, but after executing this, inner loop, I j equal to 1 means here goes this reference, this cell selected by this for loop, so we have to print here 1 and also here 1. Let's run this. Here also 2, but we have to print 1 here and also here, so we decrement this value with j in same pattern. This is also a pattern for any organization, but we have to print 2 1 and 1. Here 2 and 1 same 2 and 1. So we minus j from this I plus 1 minus j. Let's run once again by resetting this program. What happened? Now reset this code and runs line by line. 1 after executing, next outer loop 2, then 1 1. Now goes to right direction. Let's run it. This is other pattern. Next we are going to print this pattern. So go to Excel, create next script and VBA.Chr. Now name it Alphabate pattern. So here also declare I, j, k as a integer and Cells.Clear. Outer for loop I equal to 1 to 26 and inner for loop for k equal to 1 to I. Cells first row means I comma j dot value equal to VBA function using VBA dot character and using ASCII code 65. Next here we take j, not k, j. Next also take k, but no, we are going to take k and ASCII value of capital A is 65. American Standard ASCII code for computer language you learn in 10th, 12th, 11th class. So we convert 65 to character, which is character value of capital 1, capital A. So we have going to increment this value one by one by executing for loop. So also we have to take k equal to 0 after plus k value, so ABC to print. Next k equal to k plus 1. Now run this program by pressing F8 key. Here k equal to 1, So printing here also we have to take J. 1 and 1 A print in first cell. Now next here 0 1 cell value 2 row value 2 here 1. Now printing A1 go to next, because now in a for loop go to 1 to 2 times. In next for loop, no, this is not we are going to print. Okay, value is not changing, only 0 all times, because all times here get 0. So move to next cell. For after executing inner loop, we all have to reset k value equal to 0. So we had mistake in code. So now run this program once again. A, B, C, this is right code. Let's run. Here we go to Z times. For executing 26 alphabet, so we take 26 here. So all three pattern we make code successfully. If you have any question, please comment on box, and I am going to print this code in description box, so you can refer this. And if you have any benefit, please subscribe, comment and like this video. Thank you.